bafethu ikomdisi bambuzile ukuthi player of the season yakhe kubhethwe iPremiership ubani. Waphendula wathi, Aubrey Modiba uTeboho Mokoena deserve to win the player of the season. Relebohile Mofokeng has not done enough to deserve the award. He has not been consistent at all this season. Osuna Police was the one carrying Orlando Pirates. Sharp, if Osuna Police is the one carrying Orlando Pirates, how does it go to Rembula or Umaphosa? How? As ama-legend wethu bafethu, kunalento lena ngathi bayayibhema before bayokhuluma ngebhola. Yebo ibhola yenu yalazi akazenzisi, but kunalento lena ama-legend wethu ngathi ayayibhema before ayokhuluma ngebhola, because each and every time they miss the mark. Even abo Andile Jali, they always miss the mark. They always. Umuntu avela akhuluma into ebhekele le side le avela akhuluma into ebhekele, like bafethu ake nisihlonipheni please. Ake nisihlonipheni, siyanithanda njengama legends, siyanibukela, we admire you, we adore you, but bafethu ake nibuyeni ingqondweni please.